This is Zoe, attorney Zoe in Massachusetts, with a global clientele. We help entrepreneurs live and work in the US without the constraints of their immigration status. I just wanted to do this quick recording about your what happens after you receive your immigrant visa to come to the US. And as with immigrant visa applications, it begins at the Department of State's website. If your visa is approved, congratulations. Your journey. Despite that, though, your journey hasn't really ended. So you must travel no later than the expiration date printed on your visa. Usually it is 6 months. What happens if you can't travel within the 6 months? You should contact the consulate and let them know. They'll issue a visa with a later date. That's one question that we often get. Another is, what happens after that? After traveling, this is the website that's going to govern the next steps. You must pay your immigrant fee, and you can pay through this website. You go to the USCIS immigrant fee page and just follow the instructions here to pay for the fee. You will need your A number, your DOS case ID, your instructions to the embassy will give you the instructions to pay the USCIS immigrant fee. And then the sealed immigrant packet, do not open that. That will travel with you. When you enter the US hopefully it's within the 6 months, so you don't have to deal with any additional administrative issues in getting an extension of your visa. You come in, then your green card should be mailed to you to your most recent address. So they will only mail to the US mailing address that you give Department of State during the interview, or that you gave to the CBP officer when you're admitted. So you'll have to update your address if you end up moving using this form. If you do not receive your green card within 90 days, you need to submit the help form. And if you have to travel while your green card is still pending, you will have to you can go to your local field office. This is one of the questions that we often get. Also, you go to your local field office, and you can ask for what's called the temporary I-551 stamp. And that'll allow you that's status for you to travel out in and out of the country while you're waiting for your green card. However, you do have to note that you cannot abandon your green card. Essentially, you cannot abandon your lawful permanent residence. So you cannot be, and that's determined by statute. You cannot be outside of the U.S. if you're outside of the U.S. for longer than 6 months, you end up risking that. We'll cover that in the regulations in another session. So if you subscribe to me and follow me, or if you have questions, go ahead and schedule a consultation. Talk soon.